Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Robinson, and today we are going to continue our studies. This time we're continuing with systems of linear equations, but now we're going to be using the substitution method. The substitution method is another algebraic method which can be used to eliminate one of the variables when we're solving in a system of equation. So here's an example to solve for y. So we have two equations, 5y plus x equal -8, and we have x equals 7. So this would be a systems of equation because we are solving both of these because they're related to each other. So normally when we know one of the values, all we do is substitute. So we could substitute in place of x. So let's get a pen. We would substitute the 7. And there we would end up writing our question. Our question, 5y, no, I'm sorry, not question, our new equation, oops, 5y plus 7 equals -8. So we have a regular two-step equation that we can solve, and we've done that before, doing the additive inverse on both sides of the positive 7. So we'd have plus 7 and minus 7. And do a little transposing here. That equal -8. And we would minus 7 on the other side as well. So our 7s would cancel out on the left side, leaving us with the 5y, equaling to -8 minus 7 is -15. And then we would solve for y, divide both sides by 5. Y would equal to -3. So we just solved for y, and we already know the value of x. So our answer would be y would be equal to -3, and we know our value of x. So the system coordinate or solution set would be 7, -3. So that would be where these two lines intersect at that point. But they only wanted us to solve for y, so y is equal to -3. So that's what we mean by substitution. So you've really done it all along when you knew one of the values. So let's look at this one. Solve for x and y. This time y is equal to 2x. And we have x plus y equal 21. So we're going to employ that same method of substitution. And this time we know y is equal to 2x. So let's get a pen. So I know y is equal to 2x. So in place of this y, I'm going to put 2x. So let's get a pen and draw a little arrow there. So here I'm going to put 2x. So I have x plus 2x equals 21. And now I can combine x plus 2x. That'll give me 3x equals 21. Divide by 3 on both sides, and x will equal to 7. So I just found the value of x. So I know x is equal to 7 just by simple substitution. But it said solve for y. So I have to now go back to my equation, and I noticed my equation said that y was equal to 2x. Let's get a different color over here. Y equals 2x. So now that I know y is going to be equal to 2x, all I have to do is take that little 7 I got from way down here and put it in place of the x. And now I got to multiply that by 2, and that'll give me the value of 14. So y is equal to 14. So we found both values. X was 7, y is equal to 14. So we did a nice job in solving our equations by substitution this time. So check your understanding, see if you understand what we've done so far. If you do, great. If you don't, rewatch the video. Play it back again, write down your questions, and bring them in tomorrow. I'll be glad to answer them for you. Here's a nice problem for you to try on your own. Find the solution set y equals 3x. Oh, this time we have fractions. 1/3 x plus 1/2 y equals 11. Oh, that's a good challenging question. So see if you can find the solution set. What is x and y? Here's another one. Find the solution set a minus 2/3 b equals 4. And here's the second equation. 3/5 a plus b equals 15. Very good questions. And lots of fractions all over the place. So I hope our lesson was easy. I hope you got something out of it. So give them a shot. And remember, if you have questions, write them down. I'll be glad to answer them in class. This is Dr. Robinson. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.